So guys, I was sitting here thinking, you know, I have been neglectful in doing the exclusive content for the paying members. And it's not that I've been neglectful, it's that the stuff that I had ready for it, I just didn't feel happy with. I've done a couple of exclusive videos. I still am going to get ready to do a sharpening thing. I think I've got this cleaned up and sealed to a point where I can actually sharpen today. So I'm planning on doing the recurve sharpening tutorial. But what I wanted to do was an announcement, and I'm doing it to everyone because there's two things that I haven't done this month. I have not said Merry Christmas to everyone, and I have not given you guys what the members giveaway announcement is, because I think everybody deserves to see what membership gets. So hang on just a second. Let me go grab the item and we'll look at what I'm giving away to the paying members and something else I'm going to do for paying members. So, but like I said, the reason that this is going to everyone and not just paying members is I want everyone to see what I'm offering to the people that are supporting me. So hang on just a second. Let me go grab that item. So a while back, I did a video about the CJRB C-Lax designed by my friend Dylan Mallory. This knife is going to be a members giveaway for this month on the 1st of January. So New Year's Eve, I'm going to be giving this away. Well, I might do it in the New Year's Eve live feed. We will see if we even do that New Year's Eve live feed. But this is what I'm giving away this month. This is a great knife. It's new in box, has had nothing done to it except I did run the edge on a ceramic rod because in and out of sheath, I had dinked it into the sheath. Super sharp. But the other big announcement I wanted to make, there's a couple, and this is for everyone. I'm putting my phone number on my YouTube videos again and on my Google business page so that you guys can contact me for sharpening. Now, here's the thing. Paying members are now going to get a locked-in price of $20 a knife, which is locked in for any knife to any grit except for 12,000. I've taken 12,000 grit off the table. I've been damaging that stone by using it, and it's really expensive, and it's now reserved just for straight razors. So straight razors will be the only thing that goes to 12,000 grit. But anything up to 10,000 grit, any of you guys that are paying members, $20. Now, keep in mind, going up in grit does not make the knife any sharper. It only polishes it more and refines that edge. So there's a lot of guys like me, most of my knives, 600, 800, maybe 1,000 grit, and that's it because I use it for a lot of stuff. But some people have really fancy knives that they want really fancy edges on, so I will accommodate that. Paying members, $20 per knife. Everyone else from now on, $25 a knife, all the way up to 10,000 grit. So there we go. I've changed my price structure. I've lowered the price. I will do a video about that to link to send people, but now it's $25 a knife plus shipping and handling for everyone. So there you go, guys. And I'm going to do that. I'm just going to do that. That's just how it's going to be. So I would like to see the sharpening take back off. So Merry Christmas to everyone. Membership does get you some benefits. $20 a knife, period. Plus shipping and handling, of course. So you get 5. Once again, I forgot the recurve and recurve Tonto piece that I needed to add. So Tontos and recurves are going to be 30. Recurve Tontos are going to be 35, unless you're a paying member, and then it's still the same price. So I just forgot to throw that in. And don't forget, if there is damage to the edge, chip removal, edge repair, things like that, those are an additional cost that we have to work out on the backside. But if it's just the standard sharpening and there's no real damage, you're looking at $25 for non-members, $20 for members. And then, like I said, for non-members, there's an additional price for recurve Tontos and Tontos. So there you go, guys. Let's go back to me pontificating. $5 off every knife that you send me if you're a paying member. So, I mean, it's only fair. You guys support the channel. You make it possible for me to do all this stuff. You bought the green screen. You guys basically bought the new phone that I'm using now for a business line. And I want to just keep it going. I want to keep it going. And like, don't forget, I hit milestone giveaways. Members get giveaways every month, as long as I'm still financially able to support it. Members get giveaway stuff every month. So there you go, guys. I got to get back to sharpening. I got to change out of this. When I come out here to the garage, a lot of times, like Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, I'm going to try and do some sharpening. I switch out of this and I get into the All Coast old sweatshirt and get changed. So that's it, guys. That is my Christmas gift to the paying members, and it's going to last at least all year long. Guys, I love you all. Keep it clean in the comments. If you're not a member, join a membership. Use my affiliate links and go buy some merch. I even have a coupon code, saves you 10% at checkout, but I don't have to tell you. It's all down in the description below. I love you guys, and I'll see you later.